Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Evan. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on my dad's Tremor. I got the oil here, the oil filter, and the drain valve that we're going to be installing from Fumoto. Come on, let's go. First thing we're going to do is uninstall the splash guard.
Alright, that's enough. Okay, now do the other one. Okay. All right. Hey, you did it.
And now we're going to remove this bolt and drain out all of our oil.
This is when it gets really messy, and that's why that Fumoto drain valve is going to be so great when we finally get that installed. All right, and we just let that drain.
Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Next, we're going to remove these bolts to get to the oil filter.
And we just got to take our valve. Now we're just going to screw it in there. Past tight. It's only 15 foot-pounds, so just get it hand tight and then just give it a little bit of a tug. And then whenever you want to drain it, you're just going to remove that, move that lever up, and then boom, you're draining.
Now that we have the quick drain valve installed, we can put back oil in the truck. Now that we put the oil in the truck, we need to check the level on the dipstick. Look at that oil. Hey, don't forget to reset the oil life meter.
All right, now that you have your oil change, the one thing that you're going to want to do is, one, set the oil life meter and reset that back to the 100%. Okay, now to reset your oil life, all we're going to do is we're going to hit the menu button. We're going to scroll all the way down to settings, and at that point then we're going to scroll down. You're going to select that, you're going to hit vehicle maintenance, oil life, and as soon as it comes up, you'll just push and hold that OK button and it resets it back to the 100%. You can validate it by looking at your oil life and you'll see that I am now at 100%. Easy. And then what we're going to do is push and hold the brake and the gas pedal all the way down, and then we're going to hit the start button, and you're going to notice that it's not going to start. Don't release those pedals. It's not going to start, but what it's now doing is it's pumping that oil and getting it all set up in the right spot. So now I'm ready to actually start the motor and it's protected.
Now, the next time you want to do an oil change, just add this tube in, and it'll be a mess-free oil change.
That's right, Evan. Now, I tell you what, there's nothing better than having someone in the shop hanging out with you to help do an oil change or any other kind of work. Really appreciate it, Evan. Hey, quick tip. If you're going to the dealer to get your changes done, it took everything I had to get this filter off. Look at that. It's all crumped up and crazy. All you have to do is just hand tight and then maybe a quarter turn after that. It will seal, it won't leak. So just make sure you're aware of that. Man, thanks for the help, Evan. Really appreciate it. We got more coming. If you like what you saw, click the like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.
Hey Dad, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers.
Sweet. Let's keep it going. Let's get out of here.
Welcome back to the Twisted ADV channel. My name's Evan. Today we're going to be installing a new drain. We're going to be installing a Hey, don't forget to reset the oil life meter. The oil, bro.
Oil, it's oil. And anyway, let's go ahead and get that installed. Bring the truck in and we'll go going. And all of a sudden we're able to just boop, drip it and drop. Up, and the lip, and then we're gonna go. Ha, that's so stupid, I don't know what I'm saying.
Boop. Hey, don't forget to... It's hard.
Did you forget?
Yeah.
What are we resetting?
The oil life meter.
The what?
The oil life meter.